And then we went to go get my nails done.
You can play the music.
Hello my loves, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I had another early workout because today Ava had a field trip, so I had to make sure I was back in time for that. Quick workout. Ava has a field trip, but I got some sweat. Leg day. And me and Alana had a girls' day, didn't we? Okay, what did we do?
We went to Roses and Rainbow, and then we went to go get my nails done.
You can play the music.
Oh, hold on. Be still. Okay. So she picked purple
Sparkles.
with purple sparkles. Alana's camp, the end of her camp ended last week. So this week was her first week back at home, and it was kind of rough on her because she's used to like doing stuff and having a schedule. So I think the transition was really hard on her, having to be in the house all day or not. Her schedule had been interrupted to what it used to be. So we had a long talk. We had a girls' day. How do you think our talk went?
I have no idea.
You don't know how our talk went that we had?
It went good.
It went good?
Mommy was right.
Mommy was great. So,
No, I said right.
right. Mommy was right, and so she's going to work on her attitude, right?
Yes.
We're going to work on our attitude, and we're going to, you know, we're going to try to give each other as much attention. Much attention as we can, but if she can't have attention or every day isn't this full adventure, then she won't act like a fussy bear, right? No fussy bear?
But you do be a fussy bear when you stay really late.
So you need to go to bed when you're supposed to go to bed, right?
Yeah, I think I stayed up too late. That's why I was calling me today.
Oh, you stayed up too late? Aiden has been liking these little people, so for Ava and Aiden I got this little people Fisher Price set. This whole thing at Roses was originally $24 and I got it for $15. So it's $15.90 with taxes, and we just put it together.
That is
You like it, Bacon? So tell me, what is this?
It's a house.
It's a house?
No, it's a schoolhouse.
It's a schoolhouse? I can say is one of the pieces are missing. This piece right here is supposed to be like a what is this called? A sketchboard or
No,
an easel?
penny board.
An easel? Yeah, easel. That's missing.
I can't find it.
But let's see. This is supposed to roar. Let's see.
It's not roaring.
It's not roaring. Okay, so we didn't push it down further enough, but now, like, if you can hear it now. Rah, and then this goes. And this goes. So you have her, and who else?
I named her. Her name is Daisy.
Daisy and
Max.
He looks like an Alex. Oh, Max? Okay, so we have Daisy, Max, and what is her name?
Cena.
Cena. Cena, Daisy, and Max. And then they sit in these little
chairs. But they can't bend their legs, so they have to stand in the chair.
Oh, another cool thing Lala showed me is that they can stand
on the top of the chimney.
Working out, this always happens. My face breaks out. So comment below and tell me,
Oh wait, that's a
comment below and tell me your favorite drugstore skin routines, or what you use on your skin and stuff like that. And how do you guys, I don't really have a routine, so let me tell you, I don't have a routine, so I need your help. So I know that the wash is important, and I know the moisturizer is important, but I don't have an astringent. So I need an astringent, and I need a new face wash and a moisturizer, just the whole routine.
You can put this in a little bit.
Oh, that's cute. Your whole routine, comment below and let me know so I can go out and buy, so hopefully my face won't be so terrible. Thing to say? Oh, you have Daisy. Vivi had her and she went pee-pee in the potty. She has been doing so good with potty. If you are starting to potty train, don't just don't stress out. I know it's very stressful because you're like, then how we're gonna get it? But I don't know who I heard said this or who told me this, but it always stuck with me. They're not gonna go away to college in a diaper. So every day, just, you know, every day it's gonna get better, you know, and when they're ready. For me, I wait till my kids can speak in full sentences and I can comprehend them saying, I need potty.
Understand Aiden sometimes.
I need potty, or I need to pee in the potty, or poop in the potty. If they can't say that, and I can, at least if they can't say it to where I can comprehend it or other people can't comprehend it, I don't start potty training. Rewards are good, but to me, I don't start off with rewards. I start off with, my reward is we do a dance. So every time she would go pee and poop in the potty, we do the dance. Pee potty. She pee-peed in the potty. She pee-peed in the potty. She's a big girl now. She pee-peed in the potty. Go pee and everybody would dance. All the kids would dance. It's really, I think rewards is really good with your first. But if you have other kids, the other kids is so excited. It makes the younger kids excited. So we dance and we, you know, party and stuff like that. And I don't have to constantly give them candy or toys and stuff like that. I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with that system, but with my other two, that wasn't my go-to. Because I don't want them to think just because you do what you're supposed to do that you're supposed to get a treat. Get to a point where they're like, hey, I don't care. I don't want any candy. I'm going to poop myself, you know. So I don't do that. If they do pee themselves or they do poop themselves, I do let them know, like, hey, you pee-peed in yourself. That's not cool. Mommy is not happy about that. And I don't give them that excitedness. I don't beat them or pop them or anything like that. But I don't give them that, you know, that, yay, you did it, when they didn't do it, you know. So they know that, and they're like, hey, I want mom to, you know, get pumped with me, so next time they feel more to do it. Started, and it's completely up to you how you want to do it, but I started with pull-ups. Just to get the idea of pulling up and down, they have to practice that too. So I don't start immediately with panties, because you will legit be just walking around your house cleaning up. It's almost like as if you have a dog. So I don't start with panties. I start with pull-ups, and then definitely at night I keep the pull-ups on at night until they give me like a consistent, maybe like a week full of dry pull-ups. If you give me a week full of dry pull-ups, then I'll start transitioning to panties. But I don't start with panties because that is stressful. They will be peeing and pooping all over your house, and you have to clean that mess up. So I don't do that. It's because they have their pull-ups. I call them her big girl panties. I still call her big girl panties. They're not diapers. They're her big girl panties, and she knows that she's not supposed to poop and pee if she's awake in her big girl panties. So she knows that. Don't stress out about it. Don't think that they're going to get it overnight, because they're not. You're not doing anything wrong. They're not doing anything wrong. Boys, you know, potty train harder than girls. Like, age has a lot to do with it. So just don't stress out. Just don't turn, because this could turn ugly real quick if you let. Potty train can stress you out. We're sharing every day with you, so make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you hit that like button and that thumbs up. And if you are new to our channel, make sure that you comment below. That way I can start interacting with you and getting to know you and stuff like that. Thank you guys so much for all the support on my last vlog. You guys, I already knew you guys were going to be so not judgmental. I kind of already knew it, so it wasn't a problem me putting it up, but just that confirmation how amazing you guys are. It never gets old. So I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.